Hey, this is Corey Knight with Classroom Tech Made Simple, and it's been a while since my last video, so I thought I'd share with you a problem that I always find myself searching for, and that is how to find a specific name or a certain data point within a Google Sheet. So here I have a class roster of a bunch of names that I just filled out. I just came up with a bunch of names, and sometimes when you see a whole bunch of data like this, you can't really find it. So the best thing to do from a desktop is to go up here to Edit, and all you need to go down to is Find and Replace. So say I'm looking for a student's name named Jane Miller, and then I just type in Find. If I want to replace, I can replace it with a new name if I want, but just to find it, you just want to click on Find, and you can see how it went straight down to Jane Miller. So that's how you do that. Quick, easy, simple, and it's a trick that will help you throughout your day if you're trying to find names, if you're dealing with a lot of data. So I hope that this helps. Feel free to check out more of my stuff at classroomtechmadesimple.com.